Fantastic. So welcome once again to another tutorial on JAMB. So today our question is, in how many ways can two students be selected from a group of 5 students, right? So let's time this and see how fast we can answer this question. Now the question is 2 students to be selected from a set of 5 students. So this is a combination question. That means we are talking about 5 combination 2, right? Then by the formula we can say is 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2, right, factorial, then 2 factorial. So we're going to be getting 5 factorial is just 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial, which is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. So this can go with this, right? Now 2 can divide this 2 times, so 5 multiplied by 2, it is 10. So we can have it in 10 ways. You have solved this in 52 seconds. So your option is A. You can check the description and always check to understand more on each of these topics. Now see you in the next question, and thanks for watching. Remember, please subscribe.